It's Tyler Johnson. I lead the national security efforts for eMERGE Americas. I'm coming at you from Miami here. We're part of the Gold Coast Tech Accelerator program, and I'm excited to interview all of the cohort companies that have gone through our dual use and defense cohort, and welcome. Sid, man, it is so awesome to have you here. I'm happy that you're here. I want you to talk a little bit about FarView and what you're working on. So can you tell me a little bit about the problem that you're solving and why you're solving it?
Yeah, I'm building FarView to solve one of the major problems in US and many other countries, right? So ships are so important. They defend us, our coastline. They transport our people, millions of them every day, and they're also transporting our goods. But we don't make a lot of ships today, right? So
we don't, do we?
Yeah, for many decades we've been offshoring that manufacturing. Now everyone is feeling that, hey, we should bring back the shipbuilding industry back home.
Hot topic.
Yeah. So, but that's a big challenge.
So how do you solve that?
For that to happen, I mean, there's a lot of upgrades that are needed, but one of the fundamental upgrade that's needed is software. Software in shipyards today is terrible, right? So it's fragmented, siloed. The different softwares that are running in the shipyard, they don't talk to each other. So there's a huge visibility gap. And so I come in and basically connect those silos so that you have a very clear, continuous visibility across the shipyard, so that you know everything that's going on, every single failure. You can identify it immediately and prevent that from becoming a bigger problem in a shipyard.
So what's unique about your tech versus what's out there today? Is it an implementation problem that there already is tech, but it's not being utilized, or are you what are you creating that's unique about it?
So for the last, I think 10 years or so, I've been building platforms that connect data silos. And this FarView is probably my most sophisticated tech platform that I've ever built, right? So,
cool.
So the like previously, before AI, a lot of this integration was handled by software engineers, right? So they do. Some of them are good, some of them are bad. It depends on what talent you have, right? But now AI comes in and it looks at all these systems continuously and integrates these systems in such a nice way that it's never been done before, right? So, and that changes everything. So it's a lot more efficient, a lot more dynamic. And it's very quick. Right. So, and it gives you so much flexibility as a shipyard. So you previously, if I would be very afraid to change some of my systems because if I break one system, everything else collapses. Right. It's like a house of cards. But now it's not the case. So even if I want to replace one software with something else, AI knows about it. It learns from it and then integrates it seamlessly. So what you're creating is like a brain, super brain. That is powering shipyards and
I like it.
That
a brain for the shipyards, wouldn't that? That's logical, isn't it? Great.
It is, yeah.
Well, hey, we're in Florida right now. We're in South Florida. There's a lot of great stuff that's happening in Florida. When are you moving to Florida?
You know what? When I moved to Florida, I didn't know anything about it. This is my first time I'm visiting the state.
What do you think?
I'm amazed with the warmth that people bring here. More than anything, there's money, there's opportunity, there's all of that excitement. But right, so the people are so nice. So it's such a nice place to. Such a nice community to be around, and I love it. I'm moving.
Okay.
So it might take a few weeks, a month, or maybe.
You're on your way.
But
right.
I'm on my way. Yeah. So I found a nice place where I can live. I'm bringing my family here so that they can also experience this what I'm experiencing. So yeah, I'm excited.
That's great news.
I think it's happening.
Great news, Sid.
Yeah.
And we appreciate all the support, and we wish FarView all the success in the world.
Yeah.
Part of the reason that we put on these programs is to help you and to help the government and to help entities that need support. So thank you for being here, and thank you for being a part of it. And we look forward to the future partnerships.
Yeah, thank you. This is an amazing program, and you guys are wonderful. So I'm lucky to be part of this community. So thank you.
Thanks again for listening to Mission Ready. I'm Tyler Johnson, and I hope that you'll join us for our next episode. If you're like us and want to learn more about innovators building dual-use tech to defend our national security, subscribe and join our community here. And if you're a startup that wants to be featured on an upcoming episode, I want to hear from you too. Just click the link below. Until next time.